Oh yeah, I'd absolutely recommend Arc Fabrication to anyone who was going to have some fabrication done. To go out into the garden, for the kids to play out in the garden or the dog or whatever, that we had to go downstairs and then round the corner. So my wife and I thought the answer to it is to get an external staircase from the balcony up there and bring it down. The price was right, the work was done very quickly, very efficiently. Great guys, really, they caused absolutely no problem. It was terrific. I'd absolutely recommend Arc Fabrication to anyone who was going to have some fabrication done. Yeah, we called in another couple of companies as well as Arc Fabrication, but they didn't really come up to the mark. When the representative came round from Arc, very quickly understood exactly what we wanted, and the price was much more competitive. And they kept in touch with us all the way through the process as to the smaller parts of the design, the colour, everything else. And came when they said they would. Worked a couple of days, there it was, bang, done. And they've done a wonderfully professional job. Just little things, like making sure that everything was finished and neat and tidy. It was a no-brainer to use Arc Fabrication. The crew has been, very considerate, and anything we wanted done, it was done. Really terrific, yeah. Well, you get what you pay for, but you pay a really reasonable price and you get professionalism. That's the most important thing, Price and the quality of the work, both are terrific.
You know nothing, Jon Snow. Winter is coming.